Hello, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have another video for you, a cook and baking video, and we're going to show you how to make this really cool Mexican salad, or Nacho Salad as they call them as well. I'm showing you in a minute what we need and how to make it. It tastes really good. It's not too unhealthy, I'd say, but it's perfect for a birthday party or a buffet, especially in a see-through bowl. You can see all the layers, which I think look really good, and I'd say have fun making it. So what we need is a bowl of peppers, red peppers. I've cut them into smaller pieces. We need a small bowl of sweet corn, a small bowl of kidney beans, about 100 grams of cheese, some salsa, 500 ml in total. I've got 2 small bottles here. You can do it mild, medium, or very spicy. It's up to you. We need some sour cream and about 100 grams or 150 grams of leaves, salad leaves, and some tortilla chips, crisps. First we're starting with our pepper. On the bottom. Then we're pouring some salsa over that. And then on top of the peppers we're placing our sweet corn and spreading that out. And then again some salsa. Spread that out as well. And on top of that are kidney beans. And then our last bit of salsa. Then on top of this we're adding our salad leaves. And the salad leaves, we're adding sour cream. And spread that out with a knife. It's okay if it gets mixed up a little bit, that's fine. On top of that we're adding our cheese. And before serving we've mixed some tortilla crisps, like make them smaller, and on top of that we can add the whole pieces. You can add some guacamole to it as well if you prefer guacamole as like the third dip. So we've got pepper, sweet corn, kidney beans, salad, sour cream, cheese, and then our crisps, our tortilla crisps. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video and you would enjoy this one, I'm sure. If you've got any questions or comments, please write them down below and we're happy to answer and reply to them. If you've got any questions as well, subscribe to our channel for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. And hopefully we'll see you soon and next time at DIY Ideas. Have a good day. Bye.